Being a professional videographer, I always encounter the same problem when I prepare myself for a shooting session. I just need too much equipment, like lights, gimbals, drones, and sliders. This usually means dozens of different batteries and a lot of cables. This is why a year ago I have assembled a team of established experts, and together we set sail into a mission to design simple, durable videographic equipment without losing any functionality, and our product is ready.
A year ago, we accepted an almost impossible challenge to design the ultimate motorized camera slider. It needed to be lightweight yet durable. It needed to operate with AA batteries without losing full programmability, which more expensive sliders have. And of course, it needed to be able to operate for hours on single charge. It needed to withstand a lot of weight while operating almost completely silently. And it needed to operate fast and slow, in loops, or in any way user would find fit. I'm happy to report that we were successful in our mission. This is how SlideBorg was created.
Once turned on, SlideBorg will automatically find his start and end position. Then you choose one of the modes using the joystick, select the speed, and press the start button. It's really that simple. You can choose one of 4 modes. Mode number 1 is regular mode, ideal for commercial jobs, interviews, and behind-the-scenes videos. That's the mode I'm using right now. Second mode is a time-lapse mode. Third mode is fully manual mode, in which you control the movement of the camera using the joystick. And fourth mode is fully programmable mode. SlideBorg will come in different lengths, 60, 80 and 100 centimeters. Our novel carbon fiber and aluminum design makes SlideBorg weight just about 1.5 kilograms. Our slider runs on 4 AA batteries, giving you up to 5 hours working time. Or you can always use a power cord included. Please contribute so professional videographers around the world can have the ultimate sliding experience.